Welcome back. Nice to have you here again. I still remain Abdullahi Okoremi Falade. In this video, we shall look at how to use a pivot table for data analysis. A pivot table is a command under the Insert tab. Like I have explained in the previous video, that we have several tabs and commands. So the pivot table is under the Insert tab. You check the table and you see the pivot table. So how do we use pivot table for data analysis? First, you need to understand the data you are trying to analyze. Every data set will have several columns. The columns will have a label, which is advisable. Your data has a label. So we have, in this simple data set, we have the employee ID, gender, department, and salary. And you can observe that we have the information for different staff with their employee ID as a unique ID. You can see we have for each of the staff in that company. Now, for you to be able to analyze this kind of data, you should understand that each of the columns is either qualitative, which is text, or quantitative, which is numeric. The first column is employee ID. It shows numbers. But an ID is like an ID card. It is non-numeric. Gender is the text. MF, male, female. The data set, the department is in sales, human resources, sales, logistics, etc. This is text. And we have the salary. So let's quickly walk around this data set and see a kind of analysis that could be done with it. To use a pivot table, the first thing is to convert the given data set into a table format. You go to the Home tab, press anywhere on your data set, click on Format as Table. You can choose any of those design, boom, and it will help capture the data you have. And you can see where is the data for your table. It has been captured from the cell A1 to D13. And with this, the table has elders. So Excel is very smart to capture that for you. Boom. You have it. So your data set has been converted into a table, which can also be named as HR date. So this data set has been labeled as HR table. Can you see the table name? HR table. The next thing is to use your pivot table to analyze. You go back to the Insert tab, you click on table, and you choose pivot table. You click on from table range. If you click on the table range, it's going to ask you, do you want your analysis, your pivot table, to be in a new worksheet or this existing worksheet? In this video, I would like to use the existing worksheet. I'll click and you see this here blinking. Now, you make sure this cursor, you put it anywhere convenient so that you can have the glance. So you click on it and you press OK. And now you can see that we have a pivot table fit showing each of these elders: the employee ID, the gender, the department, and the salary. I'm interested to know the salary of staffs in each department. You drag the department to the row. Also, you drag the salary to the values. Take note, numeric values goes to the value, while text go to rows, columns, and filter. And now you can see, boom, we have the total salary in each department. Let's format this. you right click on the grand total, click on number format, click on number, use 1000 separator, take it into 0 decimal places and press OK. Boom, you have it. So this is how you analyze your data using pivot table. This is a number generated using the random function. I want to make it fixed, so I've copy and paste as value. I hope you've learned something new in this video. See you in the next video, and bye for now.